nature is beautiful. The gentle whisper of goldenrod blowing in the wind. The trickle of rain running off of flowers. The quiet chirping of crickets. The sound of leaves brushing against each other. The crumpling of flowers under rain. The musical chime of a bell tower in the distance as wind continues to blow. The blowing of soft flowers. The crackle of dead leaves dancing along the sidewalk as the wind pushes them. The distinct ruffle of leaves on a tree while students walk below. All of this and more is what makes nature so appealing to us. The feeling it evokes in us is unparalleled. When we feel the crisp autumn wind against our face, or smell the earth after a long rain, we know that nature is beautiful.